Hi, it's Laura Rimmer here, keto and alkaline diet nutritionist. This is just a very short video for Carrie Richards' keto lifestyle super stack that's available right now for a limited time. I love this super stack. It's honestly one of the best things that I've seen in a long while in the keto space. I'm a contributor to this stack with my Keto 101 program, which is the kind of smaller version of my Keto Life Full program. And in this super stack you get a ton of great products. I've been through it myself, I've looked through, so you get stuff like from Maria Emmerich, and so a lot of very solid keto life contributors and experts, and you get like $1,044 worth of amazing keto stuff, meal plans, training, even like keto certification. If you're looking to become, you know, maybe a keto coach yourself, then you get that in here as well. You get Udemy courses, you get a 21-day fasting course, you get my Keto 101 program, you get just a ton of stuff. And you might look at it and think this is overwhelming, there's just actually too much stuff. That's a good thing. You've got access to this for the most part, lifetime access, certainly for my course and most of the other courses, unless they're labeled otherwise. So you can just look at this at your own leisure. For $47, that is an absolute steal. So my encouragement to you, grab it while it's still available. It's not going to be available past the next few days. So grab it now, see what it's all about, and yeah, enjoy your keto journey and increasing your knowledge. Why do we want to increase our knowledge of keto? Because that will give us sticking power. We'll be able to enjoy the keto diet and get the best results. So weight loss, balancing our blood sugar, reversing ill health and disease potentially. And the way we do that is through our education, basically, and having the right meal plans and training. So grab it. I can't say enough good things about this keto lifestyle stack.